Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about something we use daily, like the timing and the daily routines in English. So let's learn some basic words like morning means time from sunrise to 12 p.m. Afternoon means time from 12 p.m. to evening. Evening in the sense time before night around sunset. Night is time when it's dark. Today means this day, tomorrow means the day after today. Yesterday means the day before today. Okay. So early means before usual time, late in the sense after usual time, next on time, at the correct time. So these are all the basic words. Okay. So we have to form the sentence by using these basic words. That will help to improve our communication. Like, um, I am waking up in the morning. Yesterday I met my friend. Like that, you have to make your own sentences. Like after some daily routine vocabularies are wake up. Wake up means stop sleeping. And brush, clean your teeth means take a bath means clean your body. Have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner means eat food for morning, afternoon, night. Study in the sense learn something, relax, go to bed means go to sleep. So let's try to make some sentences by using that vocabularies what we seen earlier. Like I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and take a bath. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Like I study in the evening. I have dinner at night and go to bed. Like that you got to make your own sentences. If you want to some example, let me tell another example. Like I wake up at 7 a.m. I get ready to go to the college. I brush my teeth and take a bath. After that, I have breakfast at 8 a.m. and I have my lunch at around 12:30. After that, after coming, uh, like, uh, yes, in the evening I come to my hostel and study something. After that, I have dinner at around 7 to 8 p.m. and I go to bed around 11 to 12 p.m. Like that, you have to make that 12 p.m. not like because that sense in morning, right? So around 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. Like that, you have to make your own sentences. So talking about your daily routine is a great way to improve your communication and strengthen your foundation fundamentals like the base. Okay. So try to speak about your day by using that English. That will help you to learn some new vocabularies also and making you a fluent speaker. So the more you practice, the more confident you will become. So keep it in mind. Try to practice singing English every day. Thank you. We will meet in our next video.